all this week on Wheel.
It's Hawaii week.
It is.
We're not actually in Hawaii.
But we've got the next best thing, moolah. Wheels in the Aloha spirit. You could take home $1,000 cash in Wheel's Hula Moolah sweepstakes. Just watch Wheel all this week. Look for the special Hula Moolah puzzle of the day, then go to wheeloffortune.com and enter the solution for your chance to win moolah. Hula Moolah. Only on Wheel. Moolah.
Aloha! Wheels in Hawaii.
All this week, we're bringing mainland fun to the Big Island.
What?
What's wrong? They're comfortable, and they make my feet smell good.
Catch the Aloha spirit with us.
So this parrot goes to a doctor's office and says, how do I get this game show host off my butt?
It's a hula good time when Wheel takes a spin to paradise.